Hello students, myself Manoj Pandey from LPM Public School. Today we solve the question of exercise 9.2, question number 3rd. Now question is P and Q are any 2 points lying on the side DC and AD respectively of a parallelogram ABCD. First we draw the parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. A, B, C, D. The point P and Q are on the side DC. The point P on the side DC and point Q on the side AD. AD of a parallelogram so that area of APB equal to area of BQC. Area of APB equal to area of BQC. Now join the line Q, R and S. APB equal to BQS, BQC, BQC. The triangle BQC. Clear? Given a parallelogram ABCD, P and Q are any point on the side DC and AD. A parallelogram ABCD and P and Q on side DC and AD. To prove area APB equal to area BQC. To prove area APB equal to area BQC. Clear? Now the construction join P to A and B and Q to B and C. Clear? देखो a parallelogram ABCD, a point P and a point Q on the side DC and AD. We prove the area APB equal to the area BQC. From the construction, we draw a line PS and QR. From a construction, draw a line PS and QR Clear? Now next as the proof. In parallelogram ABCD, BQ is the diagonal. In parallelogram ABRQ, proof. In parallelogram QB is diagonal. QB is diagonal. Then area of BQR equal to area of AQB. Area of BQR equal to area of AQB, and area BQR equal to half of area ABQR. Parallelogram ABQR. ABRQ is a parallelogram, and we know that the diagonal divides the parallelogram into two parts. So the area of this triangle and this triangle are equal, and area of BRQ and AQB are equal, then area of BQR is half of the given parallelogram. ट्रायंगल की एरिया उस पैरेललोग्राम के एरिया की हाफ होगी. इन पैरेललोग्राम CDQR the area of RQC is half of, in parallelogram CDQR, QC is a diagonal. This diagonal divides the parallelogram into two equal parts. The area of this part is half of the area of a parallelogram. So in parallelogram CDQR, QC is diagonal. Then area RQC equal to half of area CDQR. Now adding both, add area BQR plus area RQC equal to half area ABQR plus half area CDQR. Clear? Now area BQC BQR plus RQC equal to PQC. So area BQC equal to half area ABQR plus area ACBQR equal to 1/2 area ABCD. Clear? Next, remaining part. Again, in parallelogram ASPD, AP is diagonal, then area APS equal to half area ASPB. Clear? And in parallelogram BCPS, BP is diagonal, then area BPS equal to half area BCPS, and adding both, add area APS plus area BPS equal to half area ASPD plus half area BCPS. That's equal to area APB equal to 1/2 area ABCD. Now from both condition, then we get area APB equal to area BCQ. Area APB equal to area BCQ. Now prove. Clear? Next question. Question number 4. P is a point In the interior of a parallelogram, P is a point. In the interior of a parallelogram, P is a point. In the interior of a parallelogram, P is a point in the interior of a parallelogram ABCD, such that area APB, prove that area APB equal to area APB plus area PCD equal to half of area ABCD, half of area ABCD. Now given that ABCD is a parallelogram and P is a point inside the parallelogram, to prove that area APB plus area PCD equal to half of area ABCD. Now construction, we draw a parallel line EF parallel to AB and GH parallel to AD. A line parallel, draw a line through P parallel to AB and a line draw through P parallel to AD. Now prove that in parallelogram EPGA, FPGA. Now prove that in parallelogram FPGA, in parallelogram FPGA, PA is diagonal, PA is diagonal, then area APG equal to area APF, area APG equal to area APF. Clear? In parallelogram BGPE, in parallelogram BGPE, PB is diagonal, then area PBG equal to area PBE. Now similarly we find the area in the parallelogram PHCE and PHFD, DHPF and HCEP. In parallelogram DHPF and HCEP. Therefore, similarly, area BHP equal to area DPF and area HPC equal to area CPE. Clear? Now adding all these area, adding all area APG plus area APG plus PGB equal to plus DPF plus DPF, APG, PBG, TPH, CPM, CPH, C area CPH, area DPH, area DPH equal to area APF plus area APF plus EPB plus DPF plus CPE, DPF plus area CPE, that's equal to area AP, that's equal to area APB plus PCD, area APB plus area PCD equal to half of area ABCD. Clear? Thank you. Now prove it.